What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 early crypto projects that I think are possible gems. There are 3 very early projects and they actually building a lot of cool things, and we're going to go in a quick details exactly each project, what it does. And since they're at the very early stage, they have a lot of room to grow and there's a lot of gains to be made, 10x, 100x, maybe even more. But before I show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything, especially into cryptocurrency. So the first project, it's called NerdBot, and at the time of recording this video they have 18,000 followers on their Twitter account. This is the first on-chain analytics assistant empowered by on-chain data nerd. And they have a Telegram, they have a website, and if we go to their website really quick, as you can see, this says the first ever Telegram on-chain analytics bot, trading intelligence with 1 click, real-time data. And if we scroll down, we can read a lot more about this project. There's how many active users using this bot, weekly active users, and then in how many countries. You can also claim nerd. This is basically by staking you'll get reward, and there's so much more with this specific project. We're not gonna dive deep into it. I'm just showing you the projects that I think have a really good potential, and you always want to do your own research before aping or buying any of the projects that I show you in this video. So, and if we look at the CoinGecko, as you can see at the time of recording this video, it's only 11 cents per token. Their circulation supply is 13 million right now, and total supply is 100 million. And from previous projects like Unibot and a couple other ones, they did amazing because a lot of people right now are using bots. Since it's getting close to a bull run, there's a lot of hype and need behind those bots to get good projects. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this project is at very early stage. All-time low was 7 cents and all-time high was 20 cents. So this project has 10x, 20x, 30x, maybe even more potential, easy. And then the next project, it's called Cathon Games, and this is a gaming platform. And at the time of recording this video, they only have almost 10,000 followers. And then they have a website, Discord, Telegram, and then Medium page, and of course Twitter. And if we pull up their website, as you can see, this is the fastest growing blockchain emerging giant. And then if we scroll down a little bit, as you can see, the leading Web3 gaming ecosystem with portfolio of 25 games of the highest quality. So they already have 25 games in their ecosystem, and you can open up our games, you can read white paper and more about this project. And as you can see, this is all the games that they're offering, and they're constantly adding more games to their portfolio. So this project has a lot of potential. So if we're gonna pull up CoinGecko, look at their coins, as you can see, one coin, it's not even a penny, it's a fraction of a penny. So you can get roughly around 2 to 3 coins per penny. And if we scroll down, you can see the total supply is 10 billions, and in circulation it's almost 1.5. So it's quite a bit, but this project has a lot of room to grow. And then if we look at their all-time high, it was 2 cents. So just to get 10x, this literally just have to go a little over all-time high. I think this project has a lot of potential and a lot of room to grow. And of course, you can pick up tokens on following exchanges: MEXC, QuickSwap. QuickSwap is just because this is a Polygon chain. And then the third project, it's called Magnum multi-chain sniper bot, and it has a unique feature: support major chains, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and then you can actually access from the cell phone, and then Telegram bot. Lowest fees in the industry. Then if we're gonna open up their homepage, as you can see, you can already download the specific app or this bot through the Telegram, and then also through Google Play. They still working on app, it's gonna be coming out soon. But again, this bot is amazing if you are specifically looking either for crypto or NFTs or anything like that. And then you can trade, feature pricing here, and then interfaces, roadmap, and then also you can contact them. So this is another one very early with a lot of potential and a lot of room to grow. And then if we're gonna look at their CoinGecko, as you can see at the time of recording this video, each token is 50 cents. Total supply is 3.3 million. So very low supply, and all-time high was $1 3 days ago, and then 6 hours ago it was all-time low. So like I said, those are very early projects, and they have a lot of room to go, especially with this upcoming bull run. And this is pretty much it. This is 3 projects that I'm keeping my eye on at the moment, and in my opinion, all of them has a huge potential. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.